Good afternoon. Welcome to day 277 at the EMA office where Chairman Kern and Sam Bierman is with us again today. Sam, welcome back.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yes,
You got some
absolutely.
numbers for us today?
We do. Our numbers are looking fairly decent. We are hoping that this continues through Christmas. So as of today, 185,388 St. Clair County residents have been tested, which is an increase of 1,940 from yesterday. We are at 18,354 positive test results, which is an increase of 199 from yesterday. And that does include both males and females from under the age of 1 up to their 90s. Today, our daily county positivity rate is 10.3%. And we have 167,034 negative test results. We are happy to announce that we are announcing no new additional deaths today, so we remain at 292. And for those who have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 15,935. For state totals, 11,962,010 have been tested, with 863,477 positive test results, which is an increase of 7,359 from yesterday. And for deaths, the state is reporting 14,509, which is an increase of 117 from yesterday. For hospitalization numbers in St. Clair County, currently we have 102 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 10 of them are on ventilators. And regionally, we have 225 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 19 of them are on ventilators. For our long-term care facilities that are previously or currently have been in outbreak status, please remember these are cumulative numbers, and we will only announce any facilities that have had any changes. Caseyville Nursing and Rehab has 154 cases and 8 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 case. Mercy Rehab and Care Center in Swansea has 63 cases and no deaths, and that is an increase of 7 cases. And St. Paul's Home has 121 cases and 17 deaths, and that is an increase of 11 cases. We do still have some testing available this week on Sunday, December 20th at New Life Church in O'Fallon. Testing will be from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And if you need any other information, that is located on both the EMA Facebook page as well as the Health Department page. And I will turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thank you, Sam. Here are the zip codes for today. Remember, these are the COVID positive diagnoses in these particular St. Clair County zip codes. And we're only going to read the zip codes today that have changes because as our rates go down, we have more and more zip codes that don't have anything going on. So that's a good thing. But in 62203, we do go up 6 today to 459. 62204 up 1 to 295. 62205 up 2 to 451. 62206 up 14 to 897. 62207 down 2 today to 419. 62208 up 10 to 1039. 62220 up 23 today to 1277. 62221 up 17 to 1711. 62223 up 17 to 1105. 62225 up 4 to 94. 62226 up 19 to 1974. 62232 up 6 to 606. 62239 up 4 to 271. 62240 up 1 to 93. 62243 up 3 to 414. 62254 up 7 to 566. 62257 up 3 to 199. 62258 up 4 to 675. 62260 up 8 to 458. 62264 up 3 to 212. 62269 up 32 to 1941. 62285 up 5 to 359. And 62289 up 1 to 29. 199 new positives in the county. As Sam said, testing, we tested 1,940 people. That brings the daily county positivity to 10.3%, which brings our rolling average down to 10.3%. And that's the lowest rolling average, 7-day rolling average since November 6th. So we're headed in the right direction. We've moved the clock back a little bit, and that's real positive. Regional positivity, which is the state's calculation of how they think we're doing in the region, is 12.7%, and that's also down. Bond County came in at 10.5% today. Clinton County at 24.4%, Madison at 13.3%, Monroe at 17.1%, Randolph 11.5%, St. Clair at 10.2%, and Washington County at 26.2%. So we're moving in the right direction, Herb.
Yes, as you said, and Sam mentioned, it's always a better day when we have no local deaths to report, and it's been a few days since we've been able to say that we haven't had that, so that's a good thing. 292 still in the county, and if it stays at that, we'll all be happy. And one is way too many. You talked about the regional positivity rate being down. It actually went down to 12.7 from 13.1, which is we're seeing that slowly decline, and that's what we want to do. And the county 7-day rolling 10.3, which is down from 10.7. So we'll take those decreases every day. And Team St. Clair, you spreading the word and everybody getting tested and helping be part of the solution is what's really working here. And I know there's still the mitigations are out there, the vaccines.
Vaccines are here this week.
They started today.
So as the numbers go down, in conjunction with that good news is the good news about the vaccines being here. If we can drive these numbers back below 6.5%, then we can open up our restaurants and our bars again, and we can kind of go back to where we were in that mid-level where it wasn't perfect, but things were open and we were able to get out and about. All we got to do is drive this rate down. It seems that the mitigations are working and they're helping us get there, but let's just keep our foot on the gas. And let's see if we can get there, Herb.
And the quicker we can do that, the quicker we can get these mitigations put aside.
Wear the mask, wash the hands, watch the social distance. That's the way to get there.
And we get there, and it's showing it's working. And the IDPH and the governor actually gave the first 5 vaccines today up in Peoria, I believe it was. 5 healthcare workers took it up there, and so that was good news. I'm sure that's going to be all over the news this evening. The light at the end of the tunnel is getting brighter each day as long as we can keep these numbers down, and each of us doing our part is what's getting this done. And please, Team St. Clair, hang in there. You've been there 277 days, and as we said before, yes, it's frustrating. It's frustrating for our businesses, the restaurants, the bars, and every business that's out there has been suffering just the same as we all have. But there is light at the end of the tunnel. And together we will get through this, as we've said. So please hang in there. We'll be back with Daisy in a few moments to translate this into the Spanish communities. And then we'll be back tomorrow with day 278. Have a good evening.
One of the ways we can combat widespread infection is testing. It's been proven time and time again that many people who were infected with COVID-19 are asymptomatic, showing no signs of infection. They unknowingly spread the virus to those most vulnerable in our community. Working together with health departments in our region, free testing has been made available throughout the area, and we encourage all citizens and visitors to take advantage of this opportunity. To Team St. Clair and the rest of Region 4, if we work together, we can and will stop the spread of COVID-19.